Hello guys, this is Outin. This is one of the most popular and the best portable espresso machine in the world. Today we're gonna to have a comparison between old extraction instrument, which is assembled in this, and the newest coffee basket, non-pressurized. The previous is pressurized. We want to have a comparison between them. Now it's the previous and the new is.
Do you want to introduce all the components of the new kit?
The new kit contains a basket, a metal portafilter basket, a tamper, and a funnel. This is a basket portafilter, basket, funnel, and tamper. Now take an espresso with this and find out what's its quality. I had a BZ10 espresso machine from Bizera. The scale which I use for grinding is 36 to 37, and the scale which is used for this is 39. This means there is no difference between the ground size industrial and semi-industrial espresso machine with this because of non-pressurized portafilter. If you see, take a look, in the first glance you may think it's a pressurized portafilter, but between inner and outer surface there is an adequate space, which means it's a non-pressurized portafilter. Now we grind about 70 grams. It's 39. In previous basket we can only pour 8 grams ground coffee in this, very little. The original needle for this, in my opinion, the company can make it better than this. Very simple. So I want to use a good portafilter with this one in order to unplug. Faster and safer. I didn't see any difference between the extract with the semi-industrial espresso machines with this. Now you see, very good extraction. Close firmly, not to leak from the sides. Pour it with the boiling water to maximum. Let's go.
فنجان نشون بده ببینیم.
Have a nice day.
You too.